Hello everyone. In this driving lesson, we'll be backing out of this parking space, then driving to the right. So first we start the vehicle, apply the right foot to the brake pedal and press, release the parking brake, place the gear selected to reverse. Now we're gonna be driving to the right, so we put the left signal on. So we check around, make sure it's safe to back up, and we keep letting the car come back in a straight line until the dash is at the end of the white line or the parking space, and then we start turning all the way to the left, hand over hand, and you check like crazy all around because you need to see any cars moving or approaching or anyone walking. Now we're on the right side of the parking lot, so we stop. Place the gear selected to drive. Straighten the wheel. Now you can see this is upside down. We need it to look like the face of a clock. There it is. Then one more revolution. That means the wheels are straight. The car is gonna go straight. Now see that car coming? If the wheels weren't straight and I accelerate, I could be going like this, crash into that car. So make sure your wheels are straight before you drive off. Now before you drive off, you can put your left signal on and then check around to make sure it's okay to proceed. Now out here we're making a left turn. There's no stop sign, so you can do a roll and you check and it's safe, so you make your left turn. There's a pedestrian, you can be nice and let him go. And we're making a right turn at the stop sign. When you don't see the line, you stop right there. Keep the signal on if it went off. Check the crosswalk, nobody there, nobody approaching from the left. Make your right turn. And we'll be making a right turn at the lights, and it's a red light. So you put the right signal on and stop before the white line. Now we can make the right turn if it's safe to do so, because there is no sign saying no right turn on red. So it's still red, so I'm just gonna inch up. There's no one in the crosswalk. I need to see if it's safe to continue, and it's not. Cars are approaching. Now it's safe. So I check to the right and then I go. Approaching, red light. So start braking, and again stop when you don't see that white line. If I stop back here, that's too far. You don't want to do that. So watch. Now you see it, now you don't. That's the proper stopping position behind the white line. Now we're just waiting for the lights to turn green. So in the meantime, I can do all the checking around, checking left, right, everywhere, making sure when it turns green that it's safe to go. Now the lights are green, check left, right, and I'm off. Now there's a vehicle extended into the lane, so I need to do a lane change. Signal left, mirror, blind spot, do a lane change to the left. Cancel the signal. Wow, it looks like there's a traffic backed up all the way ahead, so I don't want to be stuck in that, so I could turn right here. So we do a lane change to the right. As you can see, there's a long lineup. I don't want to be waiting in traffic like that, so I'm in the right turn lane here. I just have to check my shoulder, do a right turn here. So I get rid of I will bypass all that traffic by taking this route I'll get to where I'm going a lot quicker because of that backup in traffic. Now, of course, this is a 40 zone. It's a residential area. And you can see the speed sign there. It's saying 42. But that's for the car ahead of me. The speed here is 40. And I'm doing about 39. And you have a stop sign. Now you see it. Now you don't. So you stop. We stop first. Now we go. So this is about a 4-in-1 driving lesson because we're doing multiple tasks. And we've got a stop sign here, and I'm going to be making a left turn here. So now you see the line, now you don't stop. And it's a 4-way, check left, right, and I'm gone. Hand over hand steering. And we have a stop sign and a white line. Now you see it, now you don't. Stop. Check left, right, go. This large X in the road just lets you know that there's a crosswalk. We have a stop sign, we stop behind the white line, and there's a crosswalk. Check left, right, proceed. At the lights ahead, it's going to be a right turn. Now you don't want to put your signal on from here because you have a street here. Anyone coming out, they think you're turning in, but of course you're not. Now is the time, the appropriate time to apply the signal. Now the lights are red, so we're just waiting for it to turn green. Now this guy will have to make his left turn, then I'll have enough space to make my right turn. Okay, we've got green light. Now this guy, he's waiting to make his turn. He's out of the way, so I check left, right, and I make my turn. Speed here is 70. Ahead it says 70 begins here. Right now I'm doing 60. There's no need for me to do 70. Now we're making a left at these lights ahead, so signal, check the left blind spot, over into the left turn lane, and we'll keep the left turn signal on. Now stopping behind this vehicle, when you can't see, when it just there, that's about the proper distance to be stopped behind another vehicle. Come on guy, it's a left. A green signal, and he doesn't know that he's supposed to make a left turn. So you see there are lots of people out there with driver's license and they don't know the rules of the road. So anyway, I'm just trying to point out these things so you don't make the same mistakes when you're driving. Left into this parking lot, signal left, no one approaching. And again, we're making a left turn here. And then I'm gonna park the car on the right side beside this car here. So I signal to the right, and when the front of my vehicle is in the middle of the same lane I need to get into, I get all the turns in and just wait for the car to do the job. When the car is straight, like now, recover, clock, then clock again, then I know the wheels are straight, then I inch up into the parking space. Apply the parking brake, place the gear selector to park, and this is the end of this driving lesson. Thank you very much for watching.